Jen and DJ here with ACHV PEAK, and today we're going to do a quick arms and shoulder resistance band workout.
So we have 6 total exercises, and we're going to be doing them in groups of supersets. We're going to do 2 sets of each superset. Our working time is 45 seconds, our break time is 15 seconds, and since this is a quick arms and shoulder resistance band workout, we're not going to have any extended breaks. So typically we would have a 30 or 45 second extended break in between the different supersets. That is not happening today. We want to have maximum working time, minimal break time to really pump up those muscles, get us in, get us out, and get back on with life. All right, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you thought, and let us know what you want to see more of. Let's get to work.
Oh my God!
This is how you warm up.
Oh my God!
Are you getting your warm up in, man?
Yeah, you getting your warm up. I can do that.
We got about 20 seconds before we begin. Our first 2 exercises are seated. We're going to be doing seated bicep curls and then seated tricep kickbacks. So for these, we're going to wrap our band actually around our feet completely on these. There we go. So this way, you don't have to worry about the band coming back and smacking you in the face. And you also don't have a lot of band there since it's wrapped around your feet. So then you can get, a pretty full extension on those arms with that range of motion. So right here, your arms actually will be out in front of you a little bit. That should help minimize the use of your shoulders during biceps. Really get that squeeze, get that contraction right here. Give it a quick hold. There we go. Feel that burn. Last one. All right, we're gonna wrap the band the same way and do tricep kickbacks. Actually, I cannot wrap this and do tricep kickbacks. Scratch the wrapping it around. You might be able to, I can't.
Yeah, I need baby band.
All right, here we go. So we're gonna kick it back just like we were doing bent over tricep kickbacks. I'll actually go to the side so they can see a little bit better. There we go. I'm gonna kick it back.
Tip it back.
Tip it on back. That was the weekend. This is the weekday. It's work time.
Got it. Got it.
Here we go. Again, get that contraction when you're back there. Really flex that tricep. Like I always say, when you're looking in the mirror, you know you look in the mirror, check out your arms. That's what you're getting right here. Flex. Like you're looking in the mirror. Here we go. We can get one more. Here we go. All right, again, we don't have any extended breaks. We got to hustle the whole way through. Going back into that seated bicep curl. There we go. Good controlled movements. Focus on that contraction, squeeze. Really try to get some blood into those arms. Sideways again, keep going straight. There we go. If you need to lean back a little bit, you can. Try to keep that back nice and straight though. You don't want to be hunched over doing these. Always have a nice strong back. Feeling it. All right, going back into tricep kickbacks. And then we're moving on. Oh, there we go.
Ooh. Cracked.
Felt it. You doing biceps again?
I like to work out my buys.
Working on the gun show?
Buys for the guys.
Good controlled movements. Controlled breaths. There There you go. Remember to get that contraction back there. I don't know why I keep going straight every time. Every time.
Ooh.
Here we go.
Squeeze.
Come on. Here we go. All right, remember no extended break. We're moving on. We're going into shoulder matrix and then close grip bicep curls. No extended breaks. So for this, we're gonna go out to the side, and then we're gonna reverse Y, come straight down, and then Y, and then back to the side, lateral raise, reverse Y, straight down to a regular Y, back to our sides. Don't be surprised if I mess this up a time or two. Have been known to do that. Regular Y, out to the side, lateral raise, reverse Y, straight down, regular Y. Let's get one more lateral raise. Woo. There we go. All right, we're going into close grip bicep curls. So for these ones, we're gonna try to keep those biceps in the whole time.
Okay.
Almost if you had like a preacher curl bar that you see at the gym. Keep it nice and close. See how you're bringing it to the side? You don't want to do that. Keep it in here. There you go. Good controlled movements. Get that contraction. There we go. Feel that burn. Keep pumping it. Good controlled movements. Don't forget to get that squeeze right there. Squeeze. Burn it up. Let's get one more. Woo. There we go. Biceps feeling good. All right, we're going back into shoulder matrix. First one of this second superset. There we go. So out to the side, reverse Y, straight down, regular Y. To the side, lateral raise, reverse Y, Y. There we go. Get that burn going. Keep it going. There we go. Good controlled movements. Woo, feeling it? I see it. Reverse Y. Come on, regular Y. Let's get a lateral raise. There we go. All right, close grip bicep curls right here. All right, this is the last one in our second superset. There we go. Remember, keep it nice and close the whole time. They can separate some, just not too much. Looking good. Looking good, mama. There we go. Good controlled breathing. Good solid reps. Don't let that weight snatch down. Those bands, you don't want to be going like that. Good controlled movements. Just let it burn. Come on. We got 10 seconds left. Burn it up. Come on. Oh, let's get one more. Ooh, there we go. All right, we got overhead tricep extension and then seated face pulls on these. Ooh. Go, let's get ready. Remember, we have no extended breaks here. It's a little change up, used to getting a little break.
I know.
Here we go. Again, when you're contracting those triceps, which is the top of this movement, arms extended, you wouldn't be getting that squeeze, getting that contraction. Always go for peak contraction, full range of motion. There we go. A few more left. Let's get one more. Right there. Uh-oh. You're getting even more overachieving over here. All right, we got seated face pulls. Have to get down here and hurry. Again, wrap this around your feet. Make sure your band is wrapped. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it up to our face. Right there. Good strong back. There you go. Let me turn again. So you can see sideways what it would be looking like. So your hands are literally kind of coming up to that jaw area just below your ear. That's why it's important to have that band wrapped around your feet, because you do not want to take a rubber band to the face. Here we go. Last one. There we go. Good reps. Feeling those rear delts now. All right, we're going back into overhead tricep extension. Here we go. Good controlled reps. Here we go. Feel that burn. There you go.
Feels good.
Come on, here we go. Get that contraction. Come on. Let's push it out. There we go. Come on. A few more reps. Let's get one more. Right there. Woo. Well, good. All right, we got to drop down. Get into seated face pulls. Let's turn sideways again. There we go. Good controlled motions. This isn't necessarily a heavy move right here because those rear delts aren't the strongest of muscles, but they need work. They need loving too. Getting a little trap action here. Some rear delts. Come on. We got 15 seconds left. Good controlled movements. Pull it as far back as you can get it. Come on. There we go. We are done. Quick arms and shoulders resistance band workout is done. There you go. Looking good, mama. If you like this workout,
Smash that like button.
boom. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you thought and let us know what you want to see more of. And until next time, see you guys. Whew. Arms are feeling it.
I know, towards the end.
Good stuff.
Feel a little sweat going.
Dude, I noticed the pre-workout.